First time firing up the heater. One burner's on. See? Gas valve is off. Back on. This is pretty normal. The unit is not on fire. I repeat, it is not on fire. The burner's on, so it's venting out. It's pretty cold outside, probably about 60 degrees, 55 today. Yeah. Circuit board. The heat is on. Pelican thermostat showing 45 degrees. So it's reading actually 45 degrees out here on the rooftop, not 55. So you got to go down there and warn your customer, the restaurants, whatever it is. Make sure that they're not panicking that it's on fire. If not, just start calling the fire department. That's what you don't want. All right, just want to share that. Thank you for tuning in. Please share this video, subscribe. Love you, God bless.